So this is my review of the TWOMEOW, I think that's how you pronounce it, single serve coffee maker. It came well packaged. It's got a nice removable reservoir, so you can fill it up a lot and just bring it over to the sink to fill it, very easy. Comes also with a very well done instruction manual, an Activate warranty card with some tips, some troubleshooting, and a recipe book, and of course a thank you. It also came with a really nice add-on that lets you actually brew ground coffee or tea. You basically fill up this container with whatever you want, coffee or tea. You then put it back into this container. Sorry, like that, drops in there. You close it, snap it shut, and this then replaces the plastic assembly in there that is for K-cups. I'm going to do a K-cup right now. I've already put one in there. I'm going to shut it. I'm actually going to go to a 6-ounce serving so we can make this video a little shorter. It goes to 16. There we go. I'm going to do regular strength. No, I'm going to go strong, just standard, and ready to go. So I just say capsule because that's what I've got in there. And like any good K-cup or K-Book style coffee maker, you can hear the motor start up and it starts to brew. I've run 2 cycles through it of just regular water to clear everything out like they recommended. But so far I'm very impressed with this. It's light, small, and really fits in nicely either in an apartment, in an office, maybe in a guest room even, or even in the kitchen for single serve. Overall, so far so good.
This is an amazing little coffee machine. There are different receptacles. If you use ground coffee, you can use this receptacle and you place the inside there and into the hole, shut it, and then you can use that and start your machine. Then there's another one. If you have the K-cups, then you put the K-cups in this other receptacle because it has the little gizmo to break the seal on the K-cup, and then you do the same thing. Okay. You do have to plug this machine in. We use ground coffee, so now we have to plug it in. Then you place the mug underneath and you press ground, because this is what we have, ground up coffee. The size there is 14 ounces. It goes quite a few different cup sizes. So starts with 6, then it goes to 8, 10, and then 14 ounces, which gives you a huge variety. You can also, if you want a really strong cup of coffee, you can press the bold button up there. But we're not doing that right now. If you use the capsules, then you press the capsule. There's also the ability to make iced coffee, even though we haven't used this feature yet because it's the dead of winter now. So, we're very happy with this machine, my husband especially, and we highly recommend it.
A man goes into a hotel and he says, I'd like a room in the back. And the clerk says, I can give you a room, but you'll have to take them out yourself. Should I tell them all?
Personally.